In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails from a sender on Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know how to sign in, open Yahoo Mail, find every message from one sender, select them all in one go, and delete them confidently. First, open your web browser and go to yahoo.com. Look toward the upper right and click Sign In. If Yahoo shows you an account you've used before, choose that existing account. If not, enter your email address and your password to continue. Follow any on-screen prompts. Yahoo may ask you to verify it's you. Then give it a moment to finish signing you in. Once you're signed in and back on the Yahoo homepage, click Mail at the top right to open your inbox. This takes you into Yahoo Mail, where we'll do the cleanup. At the very top of Yahoo Mail, click into the search bar. Type the sender's name, or even better, their full email address so your results are precise. Then run the search to see all messages associated with that sender. If you don't see what you expect, try the exact address as it appears in one of their emails, or refine the name to be more specific. With the results on the screen, it's time to select everything. Use the checkbox at the top of the message list to select the emails on the current page. If you have a large number of results, look for an option to select all conversations that match this search so you include every message, not just the first page. Before proceeding, take a quick scan to make sure the list truly reflects the sender you want. Similar display names can occasionally pull in unrelated messages, so a brief check now can save you from restoring items later. When you're confident you've selected the right emails, click the delete button. Yahoo moves those messages to your trash immediately. If you spot a mistake, use the undo option that appears right after deleting to bring them back instantly. Otherwise, you're done. Your inbox will be clearer, and the messages are out of your way. Deleted emails typically stay in trash for a limited time before Yahoo removes them automatically, so you still have a short window to recover something if needed. That's the full process. Sign in, open mail, search by sender, select all results, and delete. Take a moment to repeat the search for any other senders you want to clean up, and enjoy a much tidier inbox. Thanks for watching, and great job taking control of your email.